so I'm gonna adjust your middle back, okay?
Okay.
The therapy with the heat and steam was good.
Mm-hmm.
Everything seems to be soft. Nice. Okay, take a deep breath in. Out. Good. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, that was a good one. Okay, go on your side, face me, please. Keep this leg straight. This goes here. Give me your left hand. Okay. Put it here. Okay. Okay. Relax it. Control. Okay. So. Don't worry about it. Something like that. Yeah. Sit down on the chair.
Sit up?
Yeah, sit. Okay. Okay. Okay, now range of motion on the left. Okay. Now let's adjust your lumbar spine. Okay. Relax. Okay, good. So, how are you feeling after? So we saw you on Wednesday first time, right?
Yes, Wednesday was my first time.
So how you feel? This is your second session. So
I feel good. I feel like the first time definitely benefited me.
Okay.
I felt a little bit more relaxed. My muscles didn't feel as tense as before. I definitely felt a lot more looser and flexible.
So in 2 sessions, what percentage of improvement you would say you get?
I would say within 2 sessions, I'll probably improve maybe 70-80%. Like I feel a lot better.
That's awesome. For
yes,
the first time,
great.
This is your first time,
This
right?
is my first time ever with a
chiropractor before. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's great.
Right, so I'm glad you're happy. So let's go see Gail for massage.
Okay.
So she can finish this this session for today, and then we'll go from there. We'll schedule something for the future. Okay.